Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at these LASFIT floor liners, and at the end of the video I'll tell you how you can win the set of floor liners that I'm showing in this video today, so stick around all the way to the end. I have here a set of floor liners that will fit a 2017 through a 2026 Ford Super Duty crew cab truck with the front console. This is a three-piece set. LASFIT sent these to me to do a review on. So today we're going to install them in the 2022 F350 behind me. We're going to do a short review on them comparing to another name brand liner. This is a top name brand floor liner here. You can kind of see how it fits, and then we'll set that new LASFIT in there and we'll see how it compares. Okay, let's open up the box. Let's see what we got here. This is a full set, both front and rear. So first impressions, not bad. They feel a little bit lighter, a little thinner than the other brand, but I'm curious to see when we get them in there how they compare. So just like the other brand, they do have the snap in to hold it in place. So there you go. They do have a nice deep channel in them, but I can see where if you've got water that these might not hold as well, because you don't have a deep pan for, you know, liquids to sit in. So maybe if you're dealing with snow, you might want something with a higher lip, because this is just going to allow it to roll out. But not bad. Definitely better than the factory liner. Certainly better than carpet. And these are quite attractively priced. So compared to some of the other big brands, these aren't quite as spendy. I did not get a shot of the other one in here, but I think this is going to be pretty comparable. Now they do have a snap button here, but my truck doesn't have a button on this side, so I wish it did, because it would hold it in place. So I can see already this one doesn't quite offer the coverage that the other name brand does. This is thinner, so it's probably going to take a little while for that to lay down. It's been sitting in the box. And it looks like we don't quite come up as high here as the other liner did. But again, if you're looking for a liner that's better than your factory liner and not quite as expensive as some of those other name brand liners out there, might not be a bad way to go for you. So we'll get you guys a full shot here of the name brand liner. There's no brand name embossed on the back. So the only thing here that doesn't fit well is it doesn't fit real well around the console, and there's a reason for that. This liner actually belongs in a truck with a front bench seat. I bought one of these trucks before mine came in when I ordered it, and it had a bench, so I put liners in it because I knew I was going to sell it, and I bought the liner that fit that truck. So I do have a little bit of a gap here, so that's kind of on me. But again, just so you can see the other side, there is a lip here to retain, you know, any liquids. So we'll pop this one out, and we'll pop the LASFIT in, and we'll see how it compares. Yeah, this one's definitely made to fit the truck with the console, because it's fitting right nice and tight up there. It's got a really nice seal here, a little bit actually nicer than my other mat. Definitely fits nice and snug around the console, which is nice when you've got little ones that are dropping fruit snacks and things like that to keep them from getting underneath the mat. So yeah, so pretty good protection. Again, same thing. If you're in that snowier, wetter climate, there's no lip on the edge to hold stuff in, so it's going to want to tend to run. It does have deep tracks here, so it's going to hold some water and stuff in the mat, but doesn't have anything really to keep it from pooling and running down the side here. But yeah, if you're in a drier climate and you're just worried about dirt and sand primarily, these might not be a bad way to go. They're quite a bit less expensive. So if you're interested in the liners I showed in the video today, they fit the Ford Super Duty from 2017 to 2026 in a crew cab with a console. That's what this set of liners fits. So if you're interested in winning this set of liners, you got to do two things. Number one, you got to leave a comment in this video. Number two, you got to be subscribed to the channel if you're not already. So currently I'm sitting at 3,200 subscribers. When I hit 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to draw a random comment from this video, and I will reach out to you in a future video as well as reply to your comment to get your mailing address, and I will ship these to you free of charge. Now, if you are not the winner of the drawing and you would like a set of the LASFIT liners for your vehicle, the folks at LASFIT were kind enough to give me a link so that anybody that watches this video can click the link in the description below and you'll receive 14% off your order of your LASFIT liners for your vehicle. So make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one.